your girl LK here.
And her girlfriend Jasmine.
And today, we got...
Birria
tacos! Now we can dive right in. It's actually our first time trying these. Ooh, see that sauce? See that sauce? Ooh, it smells amazing. Ooh, a little lemon on the mouth. Get the dip. Ah, dang, where the napkins? Get the napkin. It definitely got that drip.
And they definitely don't.
Fire.
Well worth the money, you guys. Go get you some. These are delicious. Okay, I thought they were gonna be fucking nasty.
Wow. They are fire. So, let's talk about YouTube, man. When was the first time you started a YouTube channel?
2017.
Okay. And what do your channel consist of?
Old dancing videos with my cousin.
Okay.
When did you start your first YouTube, man?
It was a long time ago, really. I'm thinking in 2015. Yeah, I used to just prank my my brothers and my family, you know.
This beef is rough.
Yeah, it is. It's a mouthful. It definitely is. It's like beef jerky in a way. It's like it took me a while to get through the first bite, but the flavor and the queso.
Where's the queso?
It's sticking. The cheese. It's sticking everything together. That's really good. If you were to do a YouTube channel now, which we are, what were some of the things you would do on there? Like, what are the kind of videos?
Pranks, vlogs.
Pranks or show.
And vlogs with my baby.
That'd be really good. That sounds really interesting.
And mukbangs too.
Mukbangs.
Mukbangs for sure.
I like that, babe.
I only ate the first taco and I'm already getting full.
Like it's thick. For one person, you had 3. 3 is definitely enough.
Your mom's probably not gonna finish hers. Probably gonna give it to Sean.
That would be smart for her. Because
unless Lily in there helping her eat them.
One of them, somebody gotta help her. But I thought it was like Courtney asada tacos. You know, like little small ones with the 2 shells. But like those, I can eat like 5 or 6 of them. But these, I can tell I can only eat 3. Lucky if I get through that. Babe, did they give you a lemon? No, they didn't give you a lemon.
Oh. Oh, yeah, they did.
Okay.
I was like, no.
You definitely need a lemon. If they don't give you a lemon or a lime, you better ask for one. And then, yeah, the little cucumbers and something to lighten it up because it's very dense. It's a heavy meal. Yeah, you gotta squeeze it back. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, but
Borrow some of that.
No problem.
what is this? A cucumber?
Yeah, I love like how they put the live vegetables and stuff like that because it helps lighten it up. Sometimes foods can be too greasy or too like packed and condensed.
Mm-hmm.
Now I know why they put like the little radish, you know. Yeah.
Get the camera off my face.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was our review on Birra tacos. Thank you for watching.
See you guys next time.
Stay tuned. You know we're gonna be dropping some bangers like Bay said.
Period.
Pranks, vlogs,
Mukbangs.
So
And
stay
more.
tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. And we out.